Okay, my recording started, so I'm going with that. So you have to log into your integration server. So installation time, whatever the name and port you have given, the name and port, usually it will be localhost and 5555. Localhost means your own system. So once you connect to that, so you'll go to adapters. Okay, there is a section called the adapter. You go, so there will be web methods adapter for JDBC. Okay, just click on web methods adapter for JDBC. Then you will move into this particular page where you have to do connection. So you have to select a configure new connection. One sec. I will copy the class name. Okay, so I'm doing a configure new connection. And then web methods adapter for JDBC connection. And then you will give on which package you want to store. You can give the existing package, or you can create a new package and you can refer it from here. Okay, say I want to store it in the new batch, and then with the folder say JDBC connection.
Creating a new folder.
If it is existing, then it will create inside it. If this folder is not existing, it will create a new one. So connection name, I'll say test JDBC. I think it's already there. Okay, again this name. So there will be 3 transaction types. I will tell you what is each mean. This is important question. So what are the transaction types available and what's importance of it? And then data source clause. So this you can remember it. Oracle.jdbc pool.oracle data source. I forgot to tell you one more thing. So after installing your integration server, okay, so directly if you try to connect to database, it won't work. If you want to connect to database, you will be having the driver classes. So this class should be existing in your integration server. From where you will get this driver classes, there will be jar files. Okay, so we'll call it as a ojdbc6.jar. Yeah, ojdbc6.jar file. This should be available in your integration server. If it is not available, download this jar file. Okay, or navigate to your Oracle installation like this. Wherever your Oracle app, Oracle product 11.2.0, I mean like whatever version it is, and then server. So once you go to server, there will be one section called the JDBC. Inside JDBC, go to lib and you will see the jar files here. So whatever the jar files you have, just copy them. Okay, go to your integration server. Where did you install it? Okay, so and then software AG integration server. Okay, so we are using instances default, and then there is a section called the lib. lib we have a jars and custom. So inside a custom jar file, you have to place it. Once you place this, you have to restart your integration server. Okay, if you don't restart, these jar files won't be available in your integration server. Once you restart, you can check them in the about page. The integration server about, you can check your ojdbc6.jar is available or not. So if a connection is not available, then first you have to check this whether the ojdbc jar is available or not. Okay, and then you are available, but you still not able to connect to the database, it will be issue with your DNS names data. I mean like either host name is wrong, password is wrong, port is wrong, or something like that.
నేను అవి యాడ్ చేస్తే కానీ జాబ్ ఫైల్స్ క్రియేట్ అవుతాయి.
Yes.
క్రియేటింగ్ సెల్ఫ్
Yes. So once you install the question is from where I will get this JDBC file and what's importance of it. Okay, you have to like after installing your Oracle, by default with Oracle, these JDBC files will come, jar files. Okay, from that location, I showed you that location earlier. Okay, from that Oracle, right. So from Oracle, you have to copy and put it into your integration server. Once you put it here, and you have to restart your integration server. Okay, after restarting, you will see this. Okay, now we'll go to our source and server name is localhost. Since like my database in the local machine. User WebMDB manage XC 1521, which is the default port, network protocol TCP. Driver type equal to 10. So these are the parameters which you have to remember, and then enable connection polling. I will tell you what is each one. First, I will try to connect it. So this one, JDBC for new batch. Okay, so it is enabled successfully. There is no issue. For example, what I do is I will disable, and then I will change this to something 2 3. Okay, I do save changes. If I try to enable, okay, it will throw an error saying that invalid username or password, login is denied because my username password is not valid. Okay, so if this Oracle data source class is not available, then also to throw the message same like I showed you. So once this enabled to yes, that means you are connected to your I mean like your backend system, which is Oracle. So now we'll see the properties available here. So you see this transaction tab, we'll go to the new connection, which is available here. Okay. So you see the transaction type here. So you have 3 transactions. Okay. So what transaction? So we have when you're running a query, so you'll do commit and rollback, right? So no transaction means auto commit. Whenever you are updating, whenever you are inserting, the record will be committed immediately. You won't be able to roll back that particular transaction. Okay, if there is an issue, you won't be able to roll back. If you are using the no transaction, it will be auto commit.